In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a bounced check to a vendor in QuickBooks Online. When a check to a vendor bounces, it can throw off your books and make it look like a bill is paid when it actually isn't. In QuickBooks Online, the goal is to reverse that payment properly, reopen the bill, and keep your bank and accounts payable balances accurate. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step. We'll start by recording the bounced check using a journal entry. In QuickBooks Online, go to the plus, new, or create button and choose journal entry. This is how we'll move the money in your records back into accounts payable and show that the cash never really left your bank. Set the correct date for when you realized the check bounced, or whatever date you want this correction to hit your books. Make sure the entry number looks right for your sequence, but you can leave it as is if you're not tracking those closely. On the first line of the journal entry, debit your checking account for the amount of the bounced check. Debiting the checking account increases the balance back, as if the payment was never successfully cleared. On the next line, credit accounts payable for the same amount. This puts what you owe back into your payables, so the vendor's bill can be reopened. In the payee field, choose the vendor associated with that bounced check. This is important because it ties the journal entry to the right vendor and allows you to match it to their bill later. Add a memo describing that this is reversing a bounced check, so anyone reviewing your books understands what happened. When everything looks correct, select Save and Close. Next, we'll link that journal entry to the vendor and reopen the original bill. Go to the Expenses menu and then choose Vendors. Find the vendor you wrote the bounced check to and select their name to open their transaction list. In the transaction list, locate the bounced check and click it to open the payment window. Here you'll see the original bill that was marked as paid by that check. Uncheck the box for that bill to remove the payment from it. Then check the box for the journal entry you just created. This swaps the payment out and applies the journal entry instead. Once you're done, select Save. This reopens the original bill, restores the amount you owe to the vendor, and properly records the bounced check in your bank account and accounts payable.